Hi again.
我想影靚相啊。
Will you pay me this time?
Yes。免費攝影師。
Yes.
見你上次咁辛苦，俾1蚊你啊。
Okay, let's do it. I
will not give you a chance.
No, yes, you will. What are you doing?
呢度一個人都冇，最啱就影靚相啦。
That's right, and I've got something to make it even better.
Oh my god！ 你係咪送俾我㗎？
No, not for you, for the camera.
Fine.
Yeah, we're gonna be using this shooting fruit to make this place extra vibrant and summery.
Yes.
Summer vibe!
Wow,
I love this one.
So good. This one is so good.
Super summery. So I think we got it.
Yeah! 免費攝影師
Hi!
我哋啱啱咧經過呢個西環湖啦，在呢個公園啦，就會見到呢一個籃球場啦。
We are in the perfect place for photography right now. Behind us is Macau Tower, and below us is a beautiful, colorful basketball court. Before we go take some photos, I'm gonna go score a free pointer.
Wait!
So,
我哋啱啱咧就喺籃球場影完啦，我哋係咪要去行山啊？
yes, our next location is on top of a mountain, and it will take all our energy and guts to get to the top, but we're gonna do it for the photo. Let's go!
Let's go! I guess so! 終於嚟到主教山啦！
So we're here with an amazing view of Macau Tower and beautiful flowers. We're gonna combine them together in the ultimate frame of photography.
Let's go! Let's do it!
Yeah!
今日免費攝影師又同我影咗好多靚相啦！
Guys, we got some amazing summer vibes photography. These free places are really perfect for capturing vibrancy and amazing views.
咁咧就多謝免費攝影師幫我影咁多靚相啦。But I have paid you already, remember?
Oh yeah, but I think maybe we can pay a little more. It's just one.
It's okay, I give you already.
No, I think... Hey, no, I want my money!